Welcome back to Gbyte. Today, we're tackling a big one. How to recover those photos you thought were gone for good, even if you never backed them up. You delete a photo, and it hangs out in the recently deleted folder for about a month. But once that 30 to 40-day window closes, poof, they're gone forever, or so you thought. If you have a backup, getting them back is easy. But what if you don't? Don't sweat it. Gbyte's iOS data recovery tool is designed to dig deep into your iPhone's memory to pull those photos back. No backup required. Whether they were deleted yesterday or months ago, as long as new data hasn't overwritten the old files, we can probably snag them. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to the Gbyte website to download the software to your PC or Mac. I'll put the link in the description below so you can grab it easily. From the main menu, select Recover from iOS device and click Start Scan. The software will dive into your iPhone's internal storage. You can choose the specific app data you want to recover and sign in with your Apple ID. This step is secure and read-only, so it won't affect your device usage. Once the scan is complete, you'll see all the data organized by category: photos, messages, contacts, notes, the whole 9 yards. You can preview every single photo found. Use the search bar to hunt down specific ones. Once you find the photos you want, just check the boxes next to them. Now, pick a spot on your computer to save them and hit Recover. Just a heads up, the software saves the photos to your computer first, not back to your phone. Once they're safe on your desktop, you can easily sync them back to your iPhone later. And that's it. That's how you get back permanently deleted photos without a backup. Follow along, and you should be able to rescue those lost memories in minutes. Oh, and if you do have an iTunes backup, this tool can pull photos from there too. If you hit any snags, drop a comment below. And if this video helped you out, smash that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.